Hey divas, Halloween is 2 weeks away, so let's get creative. These cat ears were so cute and so easy. Let's get into it. But before we get started, go ahead and drop some cat emojis in the comments because it's about to get real feisty up in here. And also go ahead and follow my socials at Sadiva, Style Sadie S, and Golden Chic. And go ahead and hit that subscribe button to stay updated on all the beauty and lifestyle content. Now, let's get into it. First things first, we got to moisturize the strands and scalp. And of course, I'm using the Golden Chic Scalp Guide. Duh. This oil is a staple in my hair care routine. I use it weekly and it has contributed so much to my hair health and growth. The link is in my bio to purchase. So of course, I started with an idea, right? And I thought rubber bands was all I needed. So I was trying to make that triangle shape and tie a rubber band around the braids, but there was no entry point and it just wasn't working. But after all that trial and error, it came to me. I would use the rubber band to secure the two braids at a point, and then I would use a pipe cleaner to secure the two braids down. Brilliant. Woman in STEM, honestly, period. And that's it, y'all. Like, this was so easy. It was so fun to create, and my makeup was perfect. Like, I did it myself, of course, but it was inspired by the beautiful Beats by Deb. So make sure y'all go follow her and subscribe to her channel and go ahead and get into this creativity. Get into the innovativeness of black hair and braids. We can do it, y'all. We can do it all. I'm just so happy with how these turned out. If you try this, please tag me. I would love to see. And be sure to follow me on social media at Sadiva, Style Sadie S, and Golden Chic. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel and go ahead and leave some cat emojis in the comments. Oh yeah, and don't forget to subscribe. I'll see y'all in the next video. Bye, divas.
Let's go.